Good morning, students. Now let us continue the chapter linear inequalities. Now yesterday we have done the questions in which inequalities inequalities are in the form of rational expressions. Now also we have done the solution of system of linear inequations. Today we are discussing example 9, page number 15.14. This is very important question and it is little bit of brain teaser. 15.14. I am reading the question. Solve the system of equations x by 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 4, 6x by 4x minus 1 less than 1 by 2. There are two equations, x by 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 4, and second equation is 6x by 4x minus 1 less than 1 by 2. You have to solve these two equations simultaneously. Now see, as I told you, the denominator is contains variables. जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में वेरिएबल आएगा आपको राइट साइड को ट्रांसफर करके लेफ्ट साइड में ला करके फिर सॉल्व करना है. वो डायरेक्ट आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे 100% गलत हो जाएगा. लेट अस स्टार्ट फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. x by 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 4 implies, this step is very important, x by 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now by taking LCM you get 4x minus 2x minus 1 upon 4 into 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That implies 2x minus 1 upon 4 into 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now you know that 4 is great. Let me check once more. 4x by x by 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 greater than or equal to 0. By solving this, you will get 2x minus 1 by 4 into 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. You know that 4 is greater than 0, so that 1 by 4 is also greater than 0. So you can avoid this 4. Then what is remaining? ये 4 greater than 0 होता है तो 1 by 4 भी greater than 0 होगा. तो कौन सा टर्म बच रहा है? 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now in Adi Sharma it is directly written. The solution is like this, but we will go case wise so that you will get clear concept of the idea, the thing that we are going to do. इसमें हम केस से करेंगे तो आपको वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो if both are if the fraction is greater than 0, either both must be positive or both must be negative. एक फ्रैक्शन 0 से ज्यादा मतलब पॉजिटिव होना है तो पॉजिटिव बाय पॉजिटिव भी ले सकते हैं, नेगेटिव बाय पॉजिटिव भी ले सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक बोथ आर पॉजिटिव. 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 greater than 0. Why? You can't take denominator equal to 0. If denominator is 0, then it becomes infinity. That implies here x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2 or x is greater than minus 1 by 2. This is the first case. That is x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2 and x is let me check, x is greater than minus 1 by 2. दोनों को आप पॉजिटिव में लेंगे तो greater than 1 by 2 भी आ रहा है, greater than minus 1 by 2 भी आ रहा है. That means if you draw number line, this is minus infinity, this is minus 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is infinity. X greater than or equal to 1 by 2 means this area, this region, and x greater than 1 minus 1 by 2 means there is this region. That is, what is the common region? Common region is x belongs 1 by 2 to infinity, but 1 by 2 is close, so that x belongs to 1 by 2 to infinity. This is the case 1. What is the second case? This question you can expect for at least for 4 marks. Second case में क्या लेना है? You have to take both are negative. That is case 2. 2x minus 1 less than 0 and 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 only less than 0 because it is denominator. That implies x less than or equal to 1 by 2 or x less than minus 1 by 2. That means अगर आप नंबर लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ करना चाहते डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो तो लिख लो, लेकिन इट इज बेटर टू ड्रॉ नंबर लाइन to avoid mistakes. 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is infinity. X less than or equal to 1 by 2 means complete this one, this region, this 0 is not included. X less than minus 1 by 2 means this one. The common region is 1 by 2 to infinity. Since it does not contain equal to sign, it is open, that is minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. That means in the first case we are getting this region, and second case we are getting this solution set. So therefore solution of this solution set is, your solution of this one, your solution set is both the unions, because both are disjoint, दोनों disjoint है तो उनका union लेंगे, minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union, closed 1 by 2 to infinity. This is the solution set of first linear inequality. Second one is 6x by 4x minus 1 less than 1 by 2. As usual, you have to transfer RHS to LHS, because the denominator contains variables, that is 6x by 4x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 less than 0. By taking LCM, you will get 12x minus 4x plus 1 upon 2 into 4x minus 1 less than 0, not equal to 0 is given. Now by solving this, you will get, I am writing here, by solving this you will get 8x plus 1 upon 2 into 4x minus 1 less than 0. Now you know that 2 is greater than 0, then 1 by, this 2 is not to be taken with this constant, we have to take variable, that is 8x plus 1 upon 4x minus 1, 8x plus 1 upon 4x minus 1 less than 0. Now you have to take the cases. If you write directly from the book, you will not get mark. Both, if you fraction is negative, either numerator positive, denominator negative, yeah, numerator negative, denominator positive. First case, let us take numerator positive, denominator negative. That is 8x plus 1 greater than 0 and 4x minus 1 less than 0. That means x greater than minus 1 by 8 and x less than 1 by 4. That means x greater than, this is minus infinity, minus 1 by 8, this is 1 by 4, and this is infinity, plus infinity. X greater than minus 1 by 10 is this one, and x less than 1 by 4 means this one. The common region is x belongs to, both are open, minus 1 by 8 to 1 by 4. Now we got already the solution set from here, but we will take the second case also, that is case 2. Numerator is negative and denominator is positive, that is x less than minus 1 by 8 and x greater than minus 1 by 4. That means see, minus infinity plus infinity, this is minus 1 by 8 and minus, this is minus 0.25, minus 1 by 8 is 0.2. That means minus 1 by 4, sorry, 1 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 infinity. X less than minus 1 by 8 means A region. Greater than minus 1 by 4 means A region. तो कोई common region नहीं आ रहा है, तो क्या लिखेंगे? No common solution. तो second linear inequality का solution minus 1 by 8 to 1 by 4 आया था. First का क्या आया था? Minus infinity to minus, let me write, x first case में first inequality का है, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 2 closed है 1 by 2 to infinity. This is the first inequality solution. Second one is minus open minus 1 by 8 to minus 1 by 8 to 1 by 4. Now from this is 4x minus 1, sorry, that is 4x greater than 1 by 4. तो ये plus 1 by 4 हो जाएगा, इसमें भी कोई कॉमन सोल्यूशन नहीं है. इनमें से कौन सा कॉमन सोल्यूशन आएगा? माइनस इंफिनिटी 1 by 2 मीन्स 1 by 8 कमिंग, एंड 1 by 2 to इंफिनिटी में 1 by 4 भी इज ऑल्सो कमिंग. तो कॉमन सोल्यूशन इसमें कौन सा आ रहा है? इसमें कोई कॉमन सोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज फर्स्ट केस में आप इसको ये बनाएंगे, दिस इज माइनस इंफिनिटी माइनस 1 by 2 1 by 2 इंफिनिटी. एक रीजन ये जा रहा है, एक रीजन ये आ रहा है, और 1 by 8 1 by 8 इसके बीच में आएगा. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? नो कॉमन सोल्यूशन. दैट मीन्स द सोल्यूशन सेट इज नल सेट. तो कॉमन सोल्यूशन जब भी नहीं आता आप इसको नल सेट रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Otherwise you have to take the common region. This much is the question based on solving pair of linear equation. Next is we can solving modulus form of linear inequality, modulus form. We will start. You also do what I can say unsolved also. इसमें एक formula है. It is not necessary to read it. Then also, if you want, you can learn it by heartly. Otherwise, you can do by redefined form of modulus function. Mod x less than a means minus a less than x less than a. Similarly, modulus x less than or equal to a implies minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. इसको हम redefine form से भी कर सकते हैं. Mod x is equal to, there are two different form, minus x if x less than 0 is equal to x if x greater than 0, that you have discussed in chapter 2 relation and function. That means minus x less than a, first condition, x less than a. That implies x, if you multiply by minus sign, it will get changed, reversed, minus x greater than minus a, x less than minus a. So that is minus a less than x less than a. That is the, in this way we can find the values of modulus function. This is not necessary to learn it by heartly. We can do by redefined form of modulus function. Now let us start example 1, page number 18.17. I am reading the question. Solve mod 3x minus 2 less than 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. I am not following R.D. Sharma method. First of all, I will redefine it. Mod 3x minus, this is very important not only for class 11 but also for class 12 also. Be careful. Minus of 3x minus 2. If 3x minus 2 अपना फॉर्मूला में x लेस देन 0 है, यहाँ फॉर्मूला में 3x minus 2 लेस देन 0 है, इसका मतलब x लेस देन 2 by 3. That is x less than 2 by 3. And positive 3x minus 2, पॉजिटिव में इक्वल टू साइन होगा, नेगेटिव में नहीं होगा, 2 by 3. That means first condition लेते हैं, minus of 3x minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2, and both condition you have to take 3x minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now if you multiply by minus sign, you will get reversed. 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2, and 3x less than or equal to 1 by 2 plus 2, that is less than or equal to 5 by 2. Here 3x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 2, that is 3x greater than or equal to 4, minus 1 plus 4, 3 by 2 implies x, let me check, x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Here 3x less than or equal to 5 by 2 implies x less than or equal to 5 by 6. That means x less than or equal to 5 by 6. If you compare both these, you get 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 by 6. That implies x belongs to closed 1 by 2 to 5 by 6. तो इसको हम इस तरह करेंगे, आपको कोई फॉर्मूला याद नहीं करना पड़ेगा. फॉर्मूला आप अप्लाई करेंगे, कई बार आपको कंफ्यूजन रहेगा. इसमें आपको ये याद रखना है, modulus function mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0 and equal to positive x if x greater than or equal to 0. Same way example 2 you can do by yourself. Next is example 3, page number I am giving you 15.18. I am reading the question. The question is solve 1 less than or equal to mod x minus 2 less than or equal to 3. Now, what do you have to do? The first of all, take 1 less than or equal to mod x minus 2 less than or equal to. First of all, let us take this minus sign, because mod x minus 2 is equal to minus x minus 2. मैंने कहा था x minus 2 less than 0 means x less than 2 and equal to x minus 2 if x greater than 2. इसको आप साइड में कहीं लिख कर रखेंगे, कभी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. Less than or equal to 3. This is first case. Now we have to take positive sign, that is 1 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than or equal to 3. By multiplying the first inequality by minus sign, because we want positive sign with x, minus 1, ये just उल्टा हो जाएगा, greater than or equal to x minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 3. That implies minus 3 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than or equal to minus 1 implies minus 3 plus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 1 plus 2. That implies minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That is one solution you will get as, let me check first of all. You are given first condition, that means this means x belongs to positive minus 1 1. ये आपका positive sign का है. And one more condition that is you have to take positive condition also. आपको positive condition भी लेना है. Positive condition लेने के लिए again you have to take second condition, that is 1 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than or equal to, इसका solution आया है minus 1 to 1. अब इसका निकालना है. इसमें एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त इनइक्वालिटी रिवर्स हो जाता है. implies 1 plus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 plus 2 implies 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5 implies x belongs to close 3 to 5. That means the solution set of the given inequality is x belongs to the union of both the solution set minus 1 to 1 union closed 3 to 5. So don't follow addition, you will get confused. Next question is, if you queries you can ask me. Next question is mod. There are two functions. Example 4, same page number. It is NCERT exemplar. I told you a number of times. What are the questions given in NCERT exemplar? It should be focused because in exam, board exam, question number of questions may come from NCERT exemplar. Question I am reading: mod x minus 1 less than or equal to 5 and mod x greater than or equal to 2. First of all, you have to solve this one. After that, this one. Now, here if you want, you can take minus 5 less than or equal to x minus 1 less than or equal to plus 5. ये ले सकते हैं, मैंने आपको बताया था. Mod x less than a implies minus a less than x less than a. But we will do by redefinition. Redefined form of modulus function. Mod x minus 1 equal to minus of x minus 1 if x less than 1 is equal to x minus 1 is greater or equal to 1. That implies mod x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. First of all, take the negative sign minus of x minus 1 less than or equal to 5 and x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. That means if you multiply it by minus sign becomes greater than x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5 and x less than or equal to 6. That is x greater than or equal to 6 and x less than or equal to 6. That means x greater than or equal to 6 और x less than or equal to 6 इसमें आ रहा है, तो एक 6 से ज्यादा और 6 से कम. Let me check once more. X minus 1 greater than or minus x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. That implies x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. X 6 से ज्यादा 6 से कम not possible. So this is not possible. Let us take second case. Second case कौन सा है? Second case is positive sign. That is x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5. That implies x greater than or equal to 6. That means आपको this condition is coming as x greater than or equal to 6. This is the first condition. That means once more let us check mod x minus 1 less than or equal to 5 and mod x greater than or equal to 2. mod x minus 1 को redefine form में लिखेंगे तो एक minus x minus 1 आएगा, एक plus x minus 1 आएगा. तो minus of x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. That means x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5, x greater than or equal to 6. Let me check once more. X greater than or equal to 6. Next is x minus 1 less than or equal to 6. It is better to use in this type of question. Little bit of confusion is coming. For that, let us use the redefined formula minus 5 less than or equal to x. We will do this also. It will be little bit of time consuming. That is minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. That means x belongs to close minus 4 to 6. इसमें आप ऐसा भी लिखकर रिडिफाइंड फॉर्म से कर सकते हैं. रिडिफाइंड फॉर्म में करेंगे थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूम होगा, इसलिए अभी ऐसे कर लेते हैं. mod x less than greater than or equal to 2. That means minus x greater than or equal to 2 or x greater than or equal to 2. That means my x less than or equal to minus 2 or x greater than or equal to 2. That implies x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 closed or x belongs to close 2 to infinity. Therefore solution set क्या आएगा? Solution set is common region है नहीं तो आप इसका यूनियन लेंगे. यूनियन क्लोज टू इंफिनिटी। और फर्स्ट में क्या आया था 4 to 6, फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी का सोल्यूशन आया था -4 to 6 एंड सेकेंड इनइक्वालिटी सोल्यूशन इज गॉट एज 4 to -2 to इंफिनिटी। तो -∞ to -2 तक आ रहा है, लेकिन -4 इससे पहले आता है, तो आप कहां से लेंगे -4 to -2 तक, इसमें से लेंगे। यहां आपको आ रहा है 6 to इंफिनिटी लेंगे, क्योंकि 2 से 5 तक नहीं लेना है। Therefore, solution is -∞ to -4. -4 is close because 1 minute. -4 is -∞ to -4. 1 minute, let me check. इंटरसेक्शन कहां से लेना है? यहाँ -4 to -2 तक ही लेना है। तो -4 आपका क्लोज है, ओपन है, क्लोज। -4 से -2 तक लेना है, इंफिनिटी तक नहीं लेना है। -4 to -2, -2 is open, sorry, -2 is closed also, यूनियन। और सेकंड केस में क्या लेना है? एक ये है 4 to 6, यहाँ 2 से शुरू हो रहा है, तो आपको कहां से लेना है? 2 से 6 तक लेना है, एंड 2 is closed 2 to 6. This is the solution set. Next question is example 5. I can't do each and every question. Remaining question you have to do by yourself. Solve mod x minus 1, same page है, upon mod x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, x belongs to R. तो इसमें एडिशन मैंने y लेकर के कर रखा है। एज यू विश, यू कैन डू वॉट एवर दैट यू वांट। तो फॉर कन्वीनियंस लेट अस टेक mod x इक्वल टू y, देन दिस बिकम्स y minus 1 upon y minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. केसेस आएगा, केस 1 y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 और y minus 2 greater than 0. That implies y greater than or equal to 1, y greater than 2. y 1 से भी ज्यादा, 2 से भी ज्यादा, दैट मीन्स 1 2 प्लस इंफिनिटी। ग्रेटर देन और 1 मीन्स यहां से पूरा 2 से, इसमें कॉमन रीजन क्या आ रहा है? y बिलोंग्स टू 2 to इंफिनिटी आ रहा है, 2 इज ओपन। बाद में इसको हम एडजस्ट कर लेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड केस में क्या लेंगे? सेकेंड केस इज केस 2, दैट इज y minus 1 less than or equal to 0, y minus 2 less than 0, that is y less than or equal to 1 and y less than 2. That means again if you draw number line, this is 1, this is 2, this is infinity. Y less than 2 means this region, y less than or equal to 1 means this region, common region is y belongs to minus infinity to close 1. एक ही आ गया। अब आपको इसमें से देखना है कौन सा कॉमन रीजन आ रहा है। दैट मीन्स y less than or equal to 1 means minus infinity to 1, y greater than or equal to 2 means y greater 1 minute, y greater than 2 means y belongs to 2 to infinity, एक कॉमन रीजन आ रहा है। नेक्स्ट इज y लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1। इन दोनों केस में से कौन सा आपको लेना है? एक y ग्रेटर देन 2, एक y लेस देन 1, दैट इज y ग्रेटर देन 2 एंड y लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1। That means mod x greater than 2 and mod x less than or equal to 1. mod x का डेफिनेशन -2 लेस देन, आप माइनस करके भी निकाल सकते हैं, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, और -1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1। अब इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे, यू विल गेट mod x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 minute, माइनस में इसमें क्या आएगा? x बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज -1 1 एंड इन दिस वन सेकेंड वन x greater than -2 है, x less than 2 है। x greater than -2 means 2 to infinity, x less than 1 minute -2, इसका कंडीशन लेना पड़ेगा। दैट मीन्स -1 minus x greater than 2 और x greater than 2, minus x greater than 2 means x less than -2, x greater than 2. That means x belongs to minus infinity to -2 and x belongs to 2 to infinity. तो इसका सोल्यूशन कौन कौन सा आ रहा है? सबके यूनियन आएगा। Therefore solution set is my ऑर्डर में लिखना है, पहले ये स्मॉलर देन बिगर, माइनस इंफिनिटी टू -2 यूनियन, माइनस क्लोज -1 to 1 यूनियन and third set is 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity is open. तो इस तरह की क्वेश्चन में या तो आप मॉडुलस फंक्शन को रीडिफाइन करके भी कर सकते हैं या सीधा फॉर्मूला भी लगा सकते हैं. दैट इज अप टू यू. Now I will do one more question. The remaining question you have to do by yourself. One more question I am doing is example 7. Whenever you have any problems regarding linear inequality, it is better to draw number line. Page number 15.19. I am reading the question. Solve the linear equation mod 2 by x minus 4 greater than 1, x not equal to 4. That is, if x equal to 4, it becomes not defined. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? Mod 2 is 2 itself. We have to take, this is constant, mod x minus 4 greater than 1. Now by cross multiplication, this is a constant, that is 2 greater than mod x minus 1. Mod x minus 4 है इसलिए इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया. अब इसके कंडीशंस लेंगे, या तो आप इसमें दोनों कंडीशन लेकर के चलेंगे. आई एम टेकिंग बोथ द कंडीशन. One is minus x minus 4, 2 greater than minus x minus 4 and 2 greater than x minus 4. That implies minus 2 less than x minus 4 and x less than 6. That implies 2 greater than x and x less than 6. That means 2 से ज्यादा 6 से कम. That implies 2 less than x less than 6. देखिए 2 less than x less than 6. That implies x belongs to 2 to 6. That is open. And x not equal to 4. This condition also should be written. And one more, the number of examples are there. And remaining examples you can do. I am giving you as winter homework. Example 8. If you have queries, you can ask me. Example 8 continuation में है. Example 8 is very important, and example 9 also you can do. Example 10, these all should be done. Example 10, very important question, and these are example 8, 9, 10 you have to do as homework. Now let us do go to next type, word problems of linear inequalities. After that, one more type is remaining, that is graphical form, that we will study later. Word problems based on linear inequalities. I am doing example 1. Question I am reading, page number 15.22. I am reading the question. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 18 and their sum is more than 20. Odd positive integers पूछा आपसे, दोनों 16 से कम भी होना चाहिए, सम 20 should be more than 20. So odd means you have to add for getting consecutive positive integers. Let the two consecutive odd positive integers be x comma x plus 2. You are given that both are less than 16. That is x less than, both are less than 18. X less than 18. This is given that, and x plus 2 less than 18. That implies x should be less than 16 से कम होना चाहिए. Also you are given that sum is more than 20. That is x plus 2 greater than 20. That means 2x plus 2 greater than 20 implies 2x is greater than 18 implies x is greater than 9. That means x is greater than 9 and x is less than, also x is less than 16. इसमें से आपको पेयर बनाना है. सम इज मोर देन 18. सम आपको 18 से आना चाहिए. तो इसमें x लेस देन 16 ग्रेटर देन 9 और पॉजिटिव इंटीजर कौन सा आएगा? x इक्वल टू 11, 13, 50. Now pair, how we can find 11 plus 2, that is hence the pair of odd positive integers. Odd positive integer आपको पेयर में बताना है. इक्वल टू 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 2 15, and 15, and you are given that 11 13 15. Next is 15 17. 15 x is less than 17 16, so that you can x प्लस 16 से कम होना चाहिए, तो 15 ले सकते हैं. 15 plus 2 17. These are the pairs of odd positive integers. Next question is example 2, page number 15.23. I am reading the question. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 8 and their sum is less than 25. Let the two consecutive positive integers, consecutive even positive integers be, even means you have to add 2, be x comma x plus 2. What you are given? You are given both are larger than 8, that is x greater than 8, x plus 2 greater than 8 means x greater than 8, x greater than 6, that means x greater than 6, and sum is less than 25. X plus 2 less than 25 implies 2x less than 23 implies x is less than 23 by 2. Let me check. X less than 23 by 2. Now you are asked to find this is near about 23 by 2 is 10 point something, but we want only positive integer, even integer, that is 10. That is x is greater than 6. That is first condition. X is less than 10. That means which integer you can take? 6 से ज्यादा भी हो, 10 से कम भी हो, ऐसे दो लेना है जिसका सम 25 से ज्यादा आ जाए. That is the given positive required pair of even numbers are 10, 10 plus 2 12. This is second question. And third question you can do as yourself. Now example 4 of the same page. Now I am reading. If not 4, third and fourth are homework. 3 and 4 homework. Very simple question. I will do example 5. The question is, if the first paper, 4 papers, each of 100 marks, Rishi got 95, 72, 73, 83 marks. If he wants an average of greater than or equal to 75 marks and less than 80 marks, find range of the marks he should score in the fifth paper. फिफ्थ पेपर में कितने मार्क्स चाहिए? वो उसके एवरेज 75 से ज्यादा और 80 से कम आना चाहिए. Let the marks scored in fifth paper be, let the marks scored in fifth paper be x. Now average mark, सारे सब्जेक्ट का मार्क दे रखा है. Average mark is equal to 95 the first paper mark, second is 72, third is 73, fourth is 83 plus x by 5. Now you are given that it will be less than, greater than or equal to 75. That means this one. That is, if you add this, you will get this as, let me write somewhere else. If you add this, you will get 323 plus x by 5. ये 75 से ज्यादा भी आना चाहिए और 80 से कम भी होना चाहिए. That means this like this. Now if you solve this, you will get 375 less than or equal to 323 plus x less than 400. That means if you solve this, 375 minus 323, 375 minus 323 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 400 minus 323, that implies 52 less than or equal to x less than 77. So that he must score more than 52 and less than 77 marks. Yeah, between less than 77 marks in the fifth paper. In fifth paper, yeah, he must score the between 52 and 77 in the fifth paper to satisfy the given condition. Now last question of today's class, example 6, very important, very much important. This question you can expect for 4 marks at least. I am reading the question. There are 2 questions. One question we will do, one is in CRT miscellaneous, that also you have to do. I am reading the question. A manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% solution of acid. How many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it so that acid contained in the resulting mixture will have more than 15% but the less than 30%. मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास 600 लीटर्स सॉल्यूशन है, उसमें 12% कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, उसमें वो 30% एसिड सॉल्यूशन और डालना चाह रहे हैं ताकि उसका नेट मिक्सचर का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 15% से लेस भी हो, 15% से ज्यादा भी हो और 18% से लेस भी हो. तो लेट 30% डालना है. लेट x liters of 30% acid solution must be added to 600 liters of 1200. ये इसका ओरिजिनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, ये एक्स्ट्रा डाल रहा है. तो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर कितना हो जाएगा? रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर इज 600 plus x. 600 plus x liters. अब now you are given that टोटल एसिड कंटेंट इसमें कितना आएगा? टोटल एसिड कंटेंट कितना होगा? पहले ऑलरेडी था 12% 600 का, तो 12% ऑफ 600 प्लस अब आपने कितना डाला? 30% ऑफ x डाला, दैट इज 12/100 इंटू 600 प्लस 30/100 into x. So that is 30x/100. Now you are given that this content must have concentration more than 15 and less than 18. That means given that 15% of ओरिजिनल आपने कंटेंट कितना डाला? x लीटर डाला, तो ये टोटल मिक्सचर हो गया. इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कितने से ज्यादा आना चाहिए? 15% से. 15% ऑफ 600 प्लस x less than 12/100 into 600 plus 30x/100 less than or equal to 80% of 600 plus x. Question is little bit big. That implies if you solve this 15/100 into 600 plus x, that is why I am not solving this, cancelling this 100, because all 100 will get cancelled, by less than 12/100 into 600 plus 30x/100 less than 18/100 into 600 plus x. Now you have to solve this. If you solve this, you will get all hundreds are getting cancelled. 99,000 plus 15x less than, this is 30x plus 7200 less than, and last one is 10800 plus 18x. Now you have to take this first and this last. if दोनों साथ में लेंगे तो गलती हो जाएगी. That implies 9,000 plus 15x less than 30x plus 7200. One equation. इसको पहले सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 9,000 minus 7200 less than 30x minus 15x. That means 900 minus 72x is 1800 less than 15x. Sorry, 15x implies x greater than 1800 by 15. That implies x greater than 1800 by 15 is 120. It is one condition we got. Now second, later right side condition लेना है. Right side condition क्या है? Again is इन दोनों को लेना है. 30 also 30x plus 7200 less than 10800 plus 18x. That implies 30x minus 18x less than 10800 minus 7200. That means 30x minus 18x is 12x. If you solve this, you will get 3600. Implies x less than that is 300. This is the second condition. Here got x greater than 120. X greater than 120 means 120 less than x and x less than 300. That means the solution is 120 less than x less than 300. That means the number of liters of 30% acid solution to be added should be more than 120 and less than the number of liters of 30% acid solution must be added, that you can do more than 120 liters and less than 300 liters. This is the last question. One more question is there in NCERT that you can do by yourself. Example 7 is the last question of this word problem. That also you can do. I hope that you understood today's class. Any queries you can ask me. See you again in the next class.